Alright, I'll show you how I installed this smart dimmer switch. First off, let me start by saying I am not anywhere near an electrician. So what I did was by trial and error and use of YouTube videos. First things first, this is what the back of this looks like. Or this is the switch, this is the back. That white wire is going to connect with both other white wires that you have. It's just all going to be twisted together with a wire nut. Next, the green wire is going to be tied together with your bare copper wires. If you have different wiring than this, I have no idea how to help you. Sorry. Next. So this one on the right here, not in all houses, but this one is the hot wire. Leads to the breaker box. And the one on the left leads to my actual light switches. Luckily, I had the ease of this, and I know which one leads where. So, the one that leads to your actual lights, I got that black wire coming off, and I got that connected to the black wire, the line wire, that's what it says on here. And then this one coming from my breaker box, I got that connected to the red wire. The red wire is the load wire. So if you have a electrical tester and you had this all disconnected, the red one goes to the hot wire, and then the black goes to black, all the whites go together, and the green goes to bare. And that's all I know. Again, I am not a certified electrician. This is just what I found worked. As you can tell, the lights turned on, turned off.
I've had this old stoplight like forever. It spent 20 years hanging up in the barn. I got it at a recycle center or something way back when. And I hadn't really ever done much with it. And I wanted to see if I could make it actually act like a stoplight. So what I have here is I built me a little box with 3 smart switches that are controlled by Alexa. And they are red and yellow and green. So then I built an Alexa routine so that if the garage door is open, and it's open right now, so if I close the garage door, okay, now it's closed. So now watch what happens to the lights when I open it again. Not quite open yet. So wait. And we got a yellow. It's almost open. And it's green, and now you can drive in. And then it'll go off after about 5 seconds. Cool. I love smart homes. Cool stuff.
Alexa, turn on dining room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on kitchen light. Alexa, turn on Burgos house. Alexa, turn off Burgos house. Alexa, turn off dining room light. Alexa,
Okay.
turn off Burgos house lights. Alexa, turn off. I lied. Alexa, turn on Burgos house lights. Alexa, turn on kitchen light. Alexa, turn off Burgos house.
Sorry, the kitchen isn't responding.
Alexa, turn on Burgos house.
Okay.
Okay, so solid orange, good to go. 120 volts, 150 watts LEDs. I have 4-inch LED hi-hats. The fan and light is separate. nowhere near 150 watts. It will not allow me to max it out. When I go to 100%, it starts to reset again. I can only go to 80% for some reason.
Starting with the light off and the switch up, it works as expected. However, Alexa, turn the table light off.
Okay.
Starting with the light switch down and the light off. And it only cycles every other switch cycle. And that is only on brightnesses 75% and below.
Alexa, kitchen lights on.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen lights 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen lights max.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen lights off.
Okay.
So the lights are on 100% and I'm just sitting here at my desk, and you can see from this video that this flickering is going to drive you crazy.
أنا كذب لو أنا قال أي زول يرسل حمودة في محل حمودة ولا ده بياخد راحة ولا ده حمودة عمل ده حمودة.
Alexa, turn on abanico.
Muy bien.